Now this illustration deals with general requirements for an equipment grounding conductor in accordance with NEC 250.122A. And notice we're dealing with conductors number 6 or smaller here. The size of the equipment grounding conductor using copper, aluminum, or copper clad has to be sized in accordance with Table 250.122 based upon the size of the overcurrent protection device. That's the top call out. Now the bottom call out states where the equipment grounding conductor is covered, the cover shall have a continuous outer finish that is either green or green with one or more yellow stripes. Now that's the general rule of 250.119 in accordance with 250.122A. And remember previously, if you've been reviewing this entire chapter 16 on grounding, if you're larger than number 6, then you can identify the insulation by taping it green, spraying it green, as we've previously stated, but you strip it maybe where it's exposed in the system. So here we're dealing mainly with number 6 or smaller. Larger than number 6 is identification. Number 6 or smaller then is color coding. In most all cases, you're color coding there with the general rules of 250.122A, and that's what our figure 16-113B is illustrating.